Hey guys, back to the another video. In this video, I'll show you how you can download the OBS Studio. So first of all, what you have to do is just go to your Chrome and write OBS Studio. Okay, after writing it, you will see these. Okay, so first you have to do is just go to this obsproject.com, the original website of the OBS Studio, and here select Windows. After that, it will just start downloading the OBS Studio like this. Okay, I'm not downloading it because I've already downloaded it before for you guys, so I'm just not gonna show it here. Sorry, not gonna download it here. So let's just start. I'll show you the interface of it. So yeah, it looks like this. Okay, and that's how you easily you can download it as well. Just go to the website and click on the download. So yeah, after that, it will take some seconds and then it will be open. Yeah, it will be shown like this. Can you see the structure, the interface of it? So what you have to do is, for the, the settings, you have to go here in the settings, okay? And after going there, you will set and adjust it according to your preference. For example, you want to stream, so you will have to select this primary YouTube and just server for the streaming, and then just connect your um, account from here. And like I have connected my Studio by Kibi here, okay? And then what you have to do is just you can go to here, you can adjust it according to your preference. Okay, this will be the your recording folder where your recordings will be saved. I have just like selected here the D drive, and the folder name is streaming, and the when I will complete my streaming or when I'll done with my video, then then after the stopping the recording, what will happen, my file will be saved in this folder. Okay, that's the setting of the audio. So it is here the default. Now it's showing my headphones which I'm using right now, so I will just select it here. It is up to you, you can use the audio 2 and 3, this one is okay. And after that we will have the video output. Just select this 16:9 for the video, for the YouTube video. Okay, after that what you have to do is you can just I will like suggest you can just select it, means the settings should be the same as shown. You can use the frame per second, FPS, like from here, like the 10, 20, 24, 30, 48. I've just selected the 60 here for better result, and just then click on the apply and press OK, and your settings would be done. Okay, you can adjust your desktop audio from here, and like now just I'm using the mic, so my voice is coming from this mic. Okay, these are the scenes which you will create. For example, you are using uh, the for example, you are using this display capture, so it will ask you whether you want to add screens, which display capture basically captures all of the screens which are present. And you can add more scenes as well, and then just you can add these as well, the sources. You can live stream your already recorded video, like from here media source, just upload it and start streaming. Your video will be streamed here. You can add the audio input capture as well. These are the different sources you can add here. And for starting the recording, what you have to do is just select here, the recording will be start. Okay, and you can just stop the recording from here as well. And yeah, that's how easily you can use it. And if you have any question related to the OBS Studio, you can tell me in the comment section and tell me what more sorts of videos you like. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and keep watching for more. Take care. Allah Hafiz.